How to start an eBay business in 2020. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, helping serious entrepreneurs like you to boost sales to your products and services online using simple but super effective online marketing tips and tricks. If you are a serious entrepreneur, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and click that bell notification button as well so you never miss a tip that could help you to boost your online earnings. In this video, I'm speaking about how you can start a business on eBay in 2020. Now we're progressing now to the end of the year in 2019. I hope you have had a great year, and I know a lot of you are wanting to start your eBay businesses, and it's still a very lucrative opportunity. My very first tip to selling on eBay is to actually look around your house and identify if there's any potential items that you no longer use or no longer want. This could be a great opportunity for you to make an extra income, clear up your house at the same time, but also get to grips with the eBay platform without any risks involved. You can learn how to take great pictures of your items, learn how to list your items, learn how to create great titles and great descriptions, and to price your items effectively as well. You may also learn a thing or two about interacting with your customers. This is going to become extremely important when you decide to actually perhaps go and wholesale a product and sell that on eBay. Not to mention, you can actually use the money that you make from selling items you already have to reinvest in your eBay business. My second tip is to make sure you smell what sells. Now, what I mean by this is you want to do your preparatory research before you go and wholesale any item to start selling on eBay. eBay have so many metrics that make you understand what items are being watched, what items are popular, what items are selling really well. And I've done videos in the past about this, and I'll leave them in the description down below. Make sure you go and check out these eBay research techniques. You don't even have to spend any money to research what products are doing really well, but you want to make sure that you're potentially inventorying products that are going to do well for you. And the more you research, the less of a risk you are taking when investing in products to sell on eBay. Now, my third tip is actually to do with dropshipping. Now, I don't speak a lot about dropshipping on this channel, and basically dropshipping is potentially when a product is listed elsewhere on the internet, but you list it on eBay. And when someone buys that product from you on eBay, you then buy it from wherever it was elsewhere on the internet, and you send it to the address that your customer on eBay has for you. Now, some people use this as a business model. I use it as a research model. If there's a product that you really want to invest in, but you're not sure yet how well it's going to sell, and you're still undecided, wait, is that product going to generate finance for me? A great way to test that item is to create an eBay account and to drop ship that item from another place to eBay, even if you're drop shipping at a loss at first, just so you can gauge how much traction you get to that eBay listing before you then go and buy that product at a wholesale price and start inventorying it and realizing, wait, I've got dead stock that nobody is actually buying. So you want to make sure that you're limiting your risks when you're actually buying wholesale to sell on eBay, and dropshipping is a great way to do so. My fourth tip when selling on eBay is to start small. You don't have to go and buy every product under the sun that you see that could potentially sell well for you. Start with a small investment, see how that goes, and then you can use your profit to reinvest. Remember, you want to remain profitable month on month, and the best way to do that is to have micro investments and keep your eye on the market as well. See what is there, see what is selling, see what potential products there are that you can invest into, and really kind of scale up from there gradually. You don't want to do too much too soon. You could burn yourself out, and you can use up your capital before you even make any profit. And my final tip is to consider niching down on eBay. Now, I know you might find a product that is a gold dust type product where it's like this product is going to do really well, you may believe, and maybe it has nothing to do with the other products that you already have listed on eBay. So your category might, for example, be selling sports gear, and maybe you see an item that's not in sports gear, but you believe it's going to sell really well. That's an anomaly, and you might want to take a punt and start selling that product. But one real benefit to picking a niche and staying in that niche is that you can find a supplier that gives you really good deals. So let's say, for example, you have £2,000 that you want to invest in stock. If you invest that £2,000 with one supplier, then that supplier is likely to give you discounts. Now, this goes into economies of scale, and I'll leave my economies of scale video in the description down below. If you don't know where it is, make sure you go and check that video out. But essentially, if you're selling in multiple different categories, chances are you're going to need multiple different suppliers. So that £2,000 that you have for inventory is going to be spread across different suppliers rather than one supplier. So if your money is spread across different suppliers, then it's unlikely that you're going to get the discounts that you would if you were spending all of that money with just one supplier. So if you're able to get better deals on your products, then that means you're able to sell them at a better price on eBay, and potentially you could be the lowest price available, or one of the lowest prices on eBay, and really make yourself more competitive. So these are just a few tips on selling on eBay in 2020. I really hope this helps you, but the major tip is to just get started. If you're thinking about starting an eBay business, make sure you go for it. If you have any questions, then please leave them for me in the comment section down below. I'll do my best to help you guys out, and I may be doing more videos like this specifically on eBay. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you're not already, so you do not miss when those videos go live. I also have the formula which will teach you how to generate leads and sales for your products online as well. A copy of it is behind me. I will also leave a copy of it somewhere on this screen and in the description down below, so make sure you grab a copy. It's absolutely free, and it's going to teach you the formula to generating sales online. So if you want to have your own website as well as having your eBay business, make sure you download that. It's completely free, and it's going to teach you some really cool stuff. But I really do hope this video brought you value, and if it did, please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, download the formula, and I will see you soon.